Hello students, let's move towards the next point in curve setting. The notations used in a simple circular curve. In the last lectures we were discussed the number of types of curves, horizontal curves, vertical curves, their types, definitions, sketches, relation between the radius and degree of curve. In this particular session, we will study the notations used in simple circular curve. First of all, draw the sketch of simple curve. Firstly draw an arc having radius r, and then draw the tangents. There are two tangents shown in a simple circular curve, and both tangents meeting at a point B. It is the intersection point B. The particular curve here, we will discuss the various notations which are very useful in the next properties point of view, then design point of view. So AB and BC are the two tangents of the curve. AB and BC, two tangents to the curve. Capital B is the point of intersection where two tangents meets, called as point of intersection, or it is also called as vertex point. काय म्हणायचं त्याला? Vertex point. Then phi is the another notation. Phi, it is the angle of deflection. Original सर्वे लाईन आणि डिफ्लेक्टेड सर्वे लाईन याच्यामध्ये फॉर्म झालेला जो अँगल आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं? अँगल ऑफ डिफ्लेक्शन. म्हणजे ए बी ही ओरिजिनल डायरेक्शन होती पर्टिक्युलर अलाइनमेंटची, ती बी टू सी अशी डिफ्लेक्ट झाली. दॅट्स वाय तिथं एक अँगल फॉर्म झाला आहे, तो म्हणजे काय असतो? फाय असतो, डिफ्लेक्शन अँगल. देन कॅपिटल आय, अँगल ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, दॅट इज अँगल ए बी सी. हा जो काही अँगल आहे तो कोणता अँगल आहे? अँगल ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. then T1 and T2 are the tangent points. Both are the tangent points. Then BT1 and BT2 are the lengths of the tangent. Point of intersection पासून T1 पॉइंटचं डिस्टन्स आणि पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन पासून T2 या पॉइंटचं डिस्टन्स, दॅट इज BT1 and BT2. This is the tangent length. Then AB is also called as rear tangent and BC is also called as forward tangent. AB and BC are the both of the tangents of the curve, but practically AB is the rear tangent, that is first tangent, and BC is the forward tangent, that is another second tangent. Then line T1 T2, capital T1 D2, ही लाईन जी आहे ती काय? लॉंग कॉर्ड. त्याला काय म्हणायचं आहे? लॉंग कॉर्ड और कॉर्ड लेंथ. देन T1 E T2 हा जो आर्क आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं आहे? लेंथ ऑफ कर्व. T1 E T2 ही जी काय आर्क आहे याला काय म्हणायचं आहे लेंथ ऑफ कर्व. देन नेक्स्ट uppermost point of the curve capital E, that is summit point of curve किंवा त्यालाच apex point of the curve असंही म्हटलं जातं किंवा summit point of curve which is topmost point of that particular arc is called as E, that is apex point or summit point. Then distance BE, which is from the point of intersection and summit point of curve. हे जे काय डिस्टन्स आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं आहे apex distance. Then distance DE, particular point D which is situated onto the long chord, center point आहे long chord चा D, capital D, DE, that is called as D to E up to summit point of curve. This distance is called as worst sine of the curve. And capital R, already known, radius of the curve. Then angle T1 O T2, which is equals to the phi by 2. Angle T1 O T2, which is equals to phi, and angle T1 OD and T2 OD, which is equals to phi by 2. Then points T1 and T2 are also called as point of beginning of the curve and point of tangency, that is first tangent point and second tangent point. These are the notations very useful in the properties and design of curve. ए बी बी सी ह्या टँजंट्स आहेत. त्यानंतर BT1 and BT2 ह्या ॲक्च्युअल लेंथ आहेत त्या टँजंटच्या लेंथ ऑफ टँजंट इज डिफरंट अँड tangents simply called as standards tangents A B and BC are both are the different up to tangent point from the intersection point. हे जे काय लेंथ मेजर केली आहे त्याला काय म्हटलंय tangent length. Then distance BE, apex distance. Then distance DE is the worst sine of the curve. मग याच नोटेशनचा वापर आपल्याला पुढे प्रॉपर्टीज लर्न करताना होणार आहे. तर पुढचा पॉइंट आपल्याला बघायचा आहे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सिंपल सर्क्युलर कर्व. Again from the figure, reference figure of simple circular curve, first property, if the angle of intersection is known, then deflection angle phi is equal to 180 degree minus I. Suppose we are getting the deflection angle and we are known the angle of intersection only. In this particular situation we know very well the phi and I relation. When we are calculating the deflection angle using angle of intersection, subtract the angle of intersection from the 180 which gives the angle of intersection, sorry, angle of deflection also. Okay, second property, rates with the radius. If the radius of the curve is unknown, then the particular radius which we'll find out using the relationship R is equal to 1719 upon D is the relationship between the radius and degree of the curve. Suppose 1 degree curve is shown, particular curve is 1 degree curve, and suppose a radius is unknown. In that particular situation we calculate the radius by using this expression R is equal to 1719 upon D. Number 3, third property, for calculating the tangent length or length of tangent, that is BT1 or BT2 are the tangent length. Using same expression we are calculate the tangent length bt1 or bt2 is equal to r into tan of phi by 2. R into tan deflection angle divided by 2. म्हणजे इथं रेडियस माहिती असायला पाहिजे आणि डिफ्लेक्शन अँगल माहिती असायला पाहिजे. आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे? लेंथ ऑफ टँजंट. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज, not formulas. These are the properties. For tangent length, we calculate the tangent length bt1 or bt2 using the expression r into tan phi by 2. Then next, suppose the length of curve is also unknown, then the particular length of curve is find out by pi r phi degree divided by 180 degree. Deflection angle is taken in degrees. At that particular situation, we are getting the length of curve in meters or SI unit. Then next, again the length of curve is find out using degree of curve 35 divided by d is the second expression. The length of long chord is unknown, then particular length which is calculate in meters is equal to twice of r into sine phi by 2. If length of long chord is unknown, then capital L is equal to 2 multiplied by r into sine phi by 2. Then apex distance BE, check kara, distance BE, that is point of intersection and summit point of curve. This distance is calculated from the expression r into bracket sec phi by 2 minus 1. R into bracket sec phi by 2 minus 1. We are getting the apex distance BE in meters. Then next, property number 8, worst sine of curve, that is distance DE is called as worst sine of curve. Already studied in the notations, worst sine of curve DE, that is center point of long chord to summit point of the curve, that is topmost point of that particular arc. Distance DE is equal to r into bracket 1 minus cos of phi by 2. R into bracket 1 minus cos multiply by phi by 2. In meters आपल्याला distance हे मिळणार आहे. Then second last property is the chainage of first tangent point is equal to chainage of intersection point minus length of tangent. म्हणजे सपोज आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, प्रॅक्टिकली ऑन फील्ड चेनेज फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. रियर टँजंट आणि फॉरवर्ड टँजंट याच्या लेंथ अवेलेबल आहेत, बट वी आर एक्झॅक्टली नोन द particular distance, that is chainage of the first tangent point, that is T1, and second tangent point, that is T2, from the point of intersection, which is called the chainage of first tangent point or second tangent point. Chainage of first tangent point is equal to chainage of intersection point minus length of tangent. याच्यामध्ये बघा फिगरमध्ये की चेनेज ऑफ फर्स्ट टँजंट पॉईंट T1 हे फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला. ते आपण कसं फाइंड आउट करणार, तर इंटरसेक्शन पॉईंटपर्यंतचं चेनेज, टोटल चेनेज हे दिलेलं असतं. त्याच्यामधून आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, BT1 दॅट इज लेंथ ऑफ टँजंट ही सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करायची आहे. मग त्यावेळी आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे की T1 ची एक्झॅक्ट लोकेशन मिळणार आहे, चेनेज ऑफ फर्स्ट टँजंट पॉईंट. आणि सेकंड टँजंट पॉईंट कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे, तर अगेन सेम सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन, चेनेज ऑफ फर्स्ट टँजंट पॉईंट प्लस लेंथ ऑफ कर्व. प्रिव्हियस कंडिशनमध्ये आपण काय फाइंड आउट केलं आहे की T1चं चेनेज फाइंड आउट केलं, त्याच्यामध्ये जी आर्क आहे, कर्व लेंथ आहे, ती काय करायची, ॲड करायची. लेंथ ऑफ कर्व ॲड केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे, सेकंड टँजंट पॉईंटचं चेनेज मिळणार आहे. that is chain edge of second tangent point is equal to chain edge of first tangent point plus length of curve. This is all about the properties of simple circular curve. In this particular session, firstly we are studied the different notations, and then second point is the different properties of simple circular curve. Okay, thank you.